Good morning, sir. First of all, thank you give me this introduction myself. My name is Sabishan. I am 36 years old. I am already married. My wife name is Nisa. My son, I have one son. So his name Mukesh. He is 5 years old. My educational qualification, oil examination, fashion. I have Cnc Operator working experience, 5-year working experience. Dynagas company in Malaysia. Yes, sir. I know, sir. So, example, sir, I am show me the photo. This my photo. I am working this machine, Fanuc machine and Meshach machine. I am working other machine, brother, milling, drilling, and this is tanning machine, sir. So I am some the manual machine also CNC department have. So some machine I am working there. So parts production operator, CNC parts production operator. I don't know, sir, programming. So everything I can do, sir. So this letter, my 5-year experience letter, sir. Company give me the letter. Please, sir, you like me, my plus, I request. Thank you, sir.